graders from Ridgway Area Middle School. We're visiting Clarion-centered metals to find out what's so cool about manufacturing.
What will you be showing us out in the plant?
I'll show you everything from the start of the receiving of the material to finished product getting shipped out the doors.
This process of this machine right here is what we call molding process. The product comes in from the back, comes down into the tube, which is the powder that we showed earlier, and the press comes together and stamps the product. The product then comes out hard like this. Because these are a soft part right now. They're only pressed together. The oven will mold all the materials together and make it a hard component.
So what happens in this part of the plant where you work?
Okay, so back here what we do is we make the tooling that goes into the presses that are out on the floor.
How many countries have you been to personally because of your job?
I have been to Mexico, Canada, and throughout the continental USA.
What challenges does Elk County face in regards to manufacturing?
I see the older folks are probably going to have to work longer than standard. We're going to have to entice some of the youth that go off to either college or after high school graduation, that they find opportunities here in Elk County in the manufacturing sector.
What's so cool about manufacturing to you?
The daily challenges. It's a very competitive market out there today.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
So for me, it's the challenges of meeting our customer specifications.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing? I work here.